How's it going, you guys? Welcome back for another session. In today's video, I'm going to go over how I managed to catch over 20 pips trading XAU USD, which is the gold trade, right? I called this trade for the team on Friday and we closed it on Monday morning and we caught over 20 pips trading it, right? The reason I love the strategy so much, guys, is because the strategy will make you wait, right? You're not going to be getting in at some crazy ass entries. The strategy will make you wait because you'll know what you'll be looking for in the market every single time, right? So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification because you will be making money if you take the time to backtest and use the strategy properly 1000%, right? I can guarantee it. All right, guys, this is the gold trade that I called on Friday, right? The entry price was around 23.35. We were risking minus 90 pips to catch 370 pips at TP1 and 745 pips at TP2. One thing I we got to pay attention to a lot when it comes to day trading, right? You must have at least a 1 to 2 bare minimum, I'd say, or ratio, right? Having a good risk to reward ratio is going to keep you in the game for the long term, right? As you guys can see right here, I was risking minus 90 pips to catch over 370 pips, right? That's like over 1 to 3 hour ratio, right? My main goal is to at least have a 1 to 3 hour ratio every single trade, right? That way, guys, if I lose 3 trades in a row, all I have to do is win one and then I'll be back at break even, guys, right? When you trade like this, guys, trust me, it is going to be stress-free 1000% because you know you can lose 3 trades, 4 trades in a row. All you have to do is win one, then you'll be back at break even or even in profit, right, guys? So that's all there is to it. As you guys can see, we caught over 20 pips on gold, which was a beautiful trade, and we're currently trading EA and GN right now, right? And we have a buy limit placed on gold as well that I'll be going over in this video, right? If you guys are trying to be part of this community, as you guys can see, I'm currently mentoring over 43 students. Just send me a DM on Instagram at BoominFX or at MinoBoomin, and I'll try my best to reply as soon as I can, and I'll be adding you guys to this community, right? So let's just get into the chart, and I'm going to show you guys why I call this trade. Hopefully, you guys can learn a thing or two from it, right? So this is the gold trade. I'm going to start over from scratch for you guys. As you guys may know by now, I always start my analysis on a monthly time frame, right? That's where I place my key levels, right? I'm going to grab my support level. I'm going to place one right here, right? This was a strong support level at 1726.12, right? Reject, 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 false breakout, and then the market went all the way up. Now I'm going to place my resistance level somewhere around this area right here, right? Yet again, reject, 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 reject. The market went all the way above that resistance level, came back to retest it a few times, closed above it, and then since then it went all the way up as well, right? So gold is being bullish. As you guys may know by now, if the market is bullish, I look for buys only. If the market is bearish, I look for sales only, right? It doesn't matter if I wait for 2 weeks, 3 days, 4 days, 1 month, right? If the market is bullish, I'll be looking for buys only, right? And then I'm going to go down into the weekly time frame, right? I'm going to place a couple more levels, right? We have a good support level right here, right? In the weekly time frame, and we have a good resistance level up there, right? So that's all you have to do when it comes to the monthly and the weekly time frame, guys. All you have to do is place your key levels, and that's it, right? Now go down onto the daily time frame, right? The daily time frame, guys, that's where you should pay the most attention to, right? Because on the daily time frame, that's where you look for the trend. The minute you get the trend right on the daily time frame, guys, all you have to do is wait for the market to create the next structure in for you to get in, right? If the market is bullish on the daily time frame, look for buys only. That's it. If the market is bearish on the daily time frame, look for sales only, right? So on the left side, you can clearly see the market was trending down a little bit, right? So you can grab your trend line real quick, grab it from the all the way, place it right here, right? As you can see, we had a touch, drop, touch, drop, touch, drop, touch, drop. Finally, when above it, came back to retest it, and since then it's been going up. So that's set into the daily time frame. So that means you guys should be looking for nothing but what? For buys only when it comes to the daily time frame, right? You can also add a couple more levels as well, right? This is a good, this is a pretty decent resistance level in the daily time frame, and this is a pretty decent support level on a daily time frame, right? So this is a goal in a daily. There's not much that you can do. So now you're gonna have to go into the 4 hour time frame to place your key structures, right? I can't really zoom in more. Let me go to the 1 hour for you guys to see the structure, right? So gold went all the way down, right, to give us a low, right? All you have to do, guys, grab your rectangle box, right? Place it right here to mark your low, right? And then gold went all the way up to give us a high right here, right? And then it came back down. If you guys been watching my video, man, you guys must know that what that is, right? You got the low, you got the high, and the market gave you a high low because this guy is higher than this, right? There's a high low right here. And then the market went all the way up to give us a higher high, right? Because this guy is higher than this, right? And then the market dropped all the way down to give us a what, guys? To give us another higher low. And guys, watch this. All I did is, right? I know the market is trending up, so I'm looking for buyers only. So all I did, guys, was I grabbed my Fibonacci retracement, right? Placed it from the most recent higher low, right? From the most recent structure right here, right? To the most recent area high. And guess what, guys? And I waited for the market to come between the 50% and 61.8% level, right? The market dropped to the 61.8% level, give us 1, 2 touches there. Guess what, guys? We got in, right? And we rode it all the way up to smash TP1, right? TP1 is always at 0%. That's where the previous area high was at, right? To smash TP1 at 0% and to smash TP2 at minus 27%, right? And that's how we managed to catch over 20 pips trading gold. And guess what, guys? You're going to repeat the same process over and over and over again, right? You know the market is bullish, right? All you have to do is grab your rectangle boxes, mark your key structures, and use the fib retracement for your entry price, right? So now grab the rectangle box, right? The market went all the way up there to give us a Y, guys, right? Let me zoom out again. You got the low, you got the high, you got the higher low right here, right? You got the higher high, you got the white guys, right? This is the low, this is the high. So this makes this a what? This makes this a higher low. Guess what, guys? All you have to do is do the same thing again. Grab your favorite retracement, right? Place it from the most recent higher low, right? To the most recent higher high. And guess what, guys? And this is where I just called the buy limit for the team to get in between the 50 and the 61.8%, right? So if the market drops to the 61.8% area, this is what I call the sweet spot, right here. If the market gave you the same structure that it gave you previously, right, gives you 1, 2, 3 touches at the 61.8% to create the next higher low, you're going to get in, right, on the buy, of course. Place your stop loss at the 78.6%, right? Then you're going to have to target 0% for your TP1, right? And then minus 27% for your TP2. That's all there is to the strategy, guys. If you watch all my videos, man, that's how I make money when it comes to the market, right? I always trade with the trend, guys. The trend is your best friend. If the market is bullish, why are you trying to go against it? The market is bullish, look for buys. So it doesn't matter how long it's going to take you to wait for gold to come to the 61.8% to give you the next higher low. Just be patient, man. Please just be patient. Trust me, guys. When you trade like this, when you trade with discipline, you're going to win most of the time, right? I have an 85% winning ratio. I'm very patient when it comes to the market. I know my strategy works. It took me years to come up with the strategy, right? Because I know it works 1000%. So all I have to do is be patient and wait for the market to come to me to create the next higher low for me to get in. That's all there is to it, guys, right? So as soon as the market comes to the 50 and the 61.8%, creates the next structure, you get in minus 78.6 for your stop loss below the structure. Then you have to target the previous structure, which is at 0%, which is the RAI, and minus 27% for TP2. That's all there is to it, guys, right? We cut over 20 pips trading gold, and we're looking to do the same thing again as long as the market respects the 61.8% and create the structure for us, right? That's all, man. That's exactly how I trade. Very easy, but you're gonna have to be extremely patient, guy. You're gonna have to be extremely patient because you're looking to get in between the 15 and 61.8%. All you have to do is wait for the market to come to you, create the structure, and you get in, right? You trade with the trend is your best friend. You mark your structures with the rectangle box and use the Fibonacci retracement as a tool to know where the market might retrace to, and you get in and you're done for the day, guys. That's all there is to it, man. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. But that's exactly how I trade, guys, and the strategy made me quit my job, and now I'm currently trading full time, and I believe you guys can do it as well. All you have to do is just put in the work, man. Like I'm giving you guys the plan. I'm giving you guys the strategy that took me years to come up with. So it's gonna be up to you guys to put in the hours to backtest it for yourself. And I can guarantee you guys, if you put in the time, you will get the result eventually, right? Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.